Hello, I'm Sylvia Jesse Sharon, year 156C003. I'm here to explain my first web tech program. Here I've been asked to create three sections. The web page is like I have to create three sections and I have to create a clickable image with certain external, internal links, and I should give some dummy text. So this is all about my question in first experiment. So let me explain how I've done my coding. So the first thing is I've given my head tag. I've just put my title as this is my normal content, which when I create my HTML project, I get this normal content. So I've just changed my title as experiment 1. Then now inside my body, I'm going to do all the coding which I want. So I've used the div tag here, and I've given the style. Style is nothing but when I've used style because I want to give a background color or the type of text I want, or background image, everything. For that I use my style tag. So first thing, I want a background color for the web page which I want. So I've just given my div tag. Inside that I've given style equal to background color gray. So I've just given my background color, and now I want my as I've been asked to create three sections, I've just given three sections, and when I click on the three sections, it should go to the that particular section. If I click on section A, it should go to section 1, it should go to the section 1. So I've just used my anchor tag and href, and I've given ash. This is the coding for this. I have to give a ash symbol, and I have to specify which section it is. And ampersand NVSP is nothing but it's to give the space between the two lines, because I've been asked I'm asked here not to use the break tag. So I've used this kind of ampersand NVSP, and I've given a HR tag. HR tag is nothing but I've been specified that I should give a horizontal line after the sections, three sections. So I've given my HR tag. So this will create a horizontal line in my this. So now I'm going to give my title of the page, that is div welcome to. Let me tell the coding. Then I've just given background color red. So my text will be displayed in red color, and welcome to Royal Enfield showroom. And this is my content. So let me explain now. Now if I want to highlight a particular text, so welcome to Royal Enfield showroom is my text. But now if I want to highlight just my Royal Enfield showroom, I should give my span tag. So span is nothing but span is used to highlight a particular text. So I've given my span style, and so only the Royal Enfield showroom will be displayed in red color. And I've closed my tag /span and div. And so here I've given my section 1. I've just specified the color of the text and what size it should be in. So I've given H1. And for the first thing, since I've created a section 1, I should give the ID here, so that when I click section 1, it directly goes to the section 1. So I've given ID equal to S1, and okay, here I've given so since I've asked my question is to create a clickable image. So when I click my image, it should directly go to the next web page which have been created. So that is nothing but it's my next.html. Next.html is my next web page. So that I'll show you the next web page. So I've just given an image here. I've downloaded an image and I've just put it in src, and I've given the image. I've given a height and a width. So when I click I've put it inside the anchor tag. So this is mainly used for clickable images. So I've done this, and now I've been specified to give an internal tag and an internal link and an external link. Okay, first let me explain about the external link. External link is my official link, which I have to give by http // and whichever website I want. So when I click this website, it directly goes to the Royal Enfield official site. So this is about when I show the output, let me explain how it works. And next will be my internal link. Internal link is nothing but it's the link. When I click this link, it directly goes to the next HTML which I have created. So my next HTML is next.html. So when I click this internal link, I've given the internal link. When I click this, it goes to the next.html. So this is about the thing. And next I've given my email ID and my my phone number. So this is about the thing. Now my question is to display some dummy text. in thing. So for displaying text, I've given my paragraph tag. So I've just opened a paragraph tag, tag T, and then I've given a dummy text, and I've closed my thing. Now I go to the section 2. Section 2, similarly I've given ID equal to S2. This is the, because when I click the S2, it directly goes to the section 2. Then I've given my dummy text as usual, which I have done in my section 1. And so now here I've been asked to create a list that will contain the list which will contain an ordered list and an unordered list, and also I've been asked to create a nested list. So first of all I've given the coding for ordered list. Ordered list is nothing but it will be like it will be a number, or it will be an alphabet it starts with, so it will be an ordered thing. Unordered list is nothing but a bullet point, or similarly it will be unordered list. So first I've given ordered list start with 1, so it will start with 1, and my type equal to A. This will be this. So first my topic is retro street, so it is one part of a bullet, so I've given that list. Inside that I've given this will be my subheading. So this is I've opened here, but I haven't closed it because this is my subheading, and under that subheading I have all these things. So I've given an ordered list. Again I've created a list classic 350, and again inside this I have another list. This is my nested list. So I've given unordered. Here I want this is an ordered list, and I want these subdivisions that are sub bullet points, so I've given that in unordered list, and I've closed it. Similarly I've done for the other things. So this is about my list, and I've closed my list. And here I've done for the unordered list. Unordered list is just we have 3 things: disk, circle, and square. So when you give this, it specifies it will be displayed as a bullet points. So I've done my nesting here also. So next will be my DL. So here I've given my short form RE, and then I've given the full form of this. So this will be displayed like this. And now I go to the section 3. In section 3 I've been asked to create a table. So table I've just given 3 I have to first open my table tag, and I've given my border 1. So border, if I give border 1, the line the table lines will be displayed, and I've given my this as width is equal to 100%. So the name of the table I've just given a name, caption I've used caption Royal Enfield. So first we need a head, body, and a footer for the table. So I've given my T head. Inside my T head I've given 3 columns, that is serial number, model, and the price. So I've closed it here. This is my rows, and now this is my header part. So I've opened my header part, and I've given my rows, and I've closed my head. Now it goes to the body section. So in body section I'm going to classify each column what are the datas, and I've just given what is the model and what is the rate of the thing, and I've closed it. And next again the next one, and here I've been specified that when we have 2 price as same for the same for the 2 different thing, I have to span the rows so that it will be displayed as one. So here I have for Desert Storm and Thunderbird I have the same rate. So I've given a row span here in in the second column, and I've removed the price here, so it will display the price of the third column will display the price of the second this event. So this is about the thing, and I have given my total, and I've just given the style equal to text align, all these things. I have closed my body, and now T food is nothing but my whatever I want, like total or booking details. I've just given a booking detail here. So I've just given align content center. So I want this in center, so I've given my center this, and I've done column span and my rows, and I've given what text I want. So booking details, and I've been asked to give an image inside the table. So I have taken an image, and I've just put TD is my for use for putting in table, and I've given the this height, width, and the alt size, and I've given my footer. So this is about the table, and I've just given a thank you statement, this kind of that. I've just given bullet the soulmate. So now let me show the next HTML which I have created, or which I have created here. Just So this is my next HTML. I've just given a background color and I've given a text. I've given a heading, that is my text which I want, and I've given an image. So now let me explain the output. This is about the coding. Now let me explain the output. So I've already displayed. So here is my section 1, section 2, section 3. So now let me explain how it works. So I want to go to section 1, it goes to section 1, and now if I want to go to section 2, it goes to section 2. This is my section 2, and similarly section 3. So as I told, I've given my heading which I want. So welcome to Royal Enfield showroom. Here I've used a span tag for Royal Enfield showroom, so it has been displayed in red. So section 1, I've been asked to create a clickable image. So when I click this image, it directly goes to the next web page. So this is my next HTML, and I've given this picture here. So now let me explain about this. So this is my external link. External link is when I click this link, it should go to my Royal Enfield official website, because I've given the link here. So this is my Royal Enfield official website. So this is about the external link, and my internal link is nothing but when I click internal link, it should go to the next page. This is my next HTML page. So this is about the external link and internal link, and mail ID and call me. Mail ID is like it will ask me which one I want. So this is about the mail ID and all those stuffs. And here in section 2, as I told, I've given a subheading, and then I've done a nested list. So this is my list, and this will be my the abbreviation of Royal Enfield. I've just given all these things as I explained in the coding. In section 3, as I told, I've given a table with classic 350 cc. It's and its price. And here, as I told, Desert Storm and Thunderbird have the same rate. So I've done a row span here. So this will be displayed as a total as one amount. This 2 rows will be spanned, and it will be displaying the same amount, and I've given total, and here is the booking details, and my image is here. So and last coding which I have done. So this is all about my first experiment. Thank you.